Hey everybody, Martel here with Playbook.tech. I wanted to showcase another automation we designed. Essentially, this is your AI-driven CMO or CSO data analyzer. So essentially what that means is that it will take your reports. So let's just say you're running Google ads or you have a Google Analytics set up, or your LinkedIn enterprise, or your Facebook analytics. Essentially what it will do is it will read your reports and then it will run it through a ChatGPT prompt that we designed, and then give you a deep analysis of your report, also executable tasks that you can utilize to improve your analytics, and to improve the campaigns that you're running. So we'll dive into it now. So essentially, the way it works is that, for example, here I have a mock Google Analytic report. So it's just a basic report that you could get automated within your Google Analytics. From there, it will actually run through this prompt here, or this module here. So for now, what I will do is I will go ahead and run it. So what it's doing is it's pulling that report, it's looking for it, and then it's adding it to a drive, a Google Drive. And then from there, so every time you get a new record, it'll always run through that. Then from there, what will end up happening is it will take that report and then actually analyze it. So I can go ahead and choose where to start. Typically, I don't have to go through this model. I've actually already just used that report on previous tests, so I just have to re-trigger it. So what you could see here is that it's pulling the reports. Anything that it does have, it'll actually run through this model here, and then it'll showcase here at the end of it that we do have that that report is here. So you can see here's the task for the week. Based on those analytics, it'll show you case here like, oh, considering the page's top engagement, North Carolina users especially, this has 1,500 views, right? And then so it'll go through and then it'll actually give you just a detailed analysis of what it looks like. And then from here, you can take a look from your Airtable that we typically set these things up on. That it'll actually showcase the task for the week here. So it'll take that report, it'll update it constantly with new reports constantly. So you can see here, I just sent that a minute ago. It's 11:2, it's 11:1 that I was sent. So it's accurate. And then from there, essentially what happens next is it will take that report, it'll read that, and then it will send it to your communication platform. So let's just say you have your team on Slack. You could go ahead and then run this model. It'll take it, it'll analyze it with the assistant. It'll then upload it to your Airtable. And then once it goes, it will, perfect. And then so once it goes through, it will take that and it'll drop it into your Slack. And just like that, you have the report that falls right into it, letting you know everything that's going on, how to set up here your actions, setting up A/B tests, behavioral marketing ads, time-based email triggers. So this is whatever that was on that report. It read it and it said, hey, this would be the best way to improve your strategy or the next steps that you should execute. If that's something that you're interested in for your business, feel free to send me a DM. We could definitely design something like that custom to your needs. I am going to be releasing another automation that we designed, which is a newsletter. So automating your newsletters so you're consistently putting out really cool content. I'm also going to be dropping another version 2 of our automated content creator for blog articles. So it comes with content, so images, AI generated images. So definitely stay tuned for that. Appreciate you all.